Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable and use app pinning on your Android smartphone device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the Settings gear button. And then you want to scroll down and select the Security and Privacy tile. And then scroll down again underneath Other Settings and select More Security and Privacy. Scroll down underneath Security where it says App Pinning at the bottom here. Go ahead and select that. Go ahead and toggle the app pinning to the on position. So when an app is pinned, personal data may be accessible, such as contacts and email content. Pin apps may open other apps. Only use app pinning with people you trust. Go ahead and select OK. And that's all you pretty much have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do it. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.